Hello students, we discuss today instruction set and programming of 8085 topic and unit the data transfer instruction, and in that data transfer instruction we discuss now exchange instruction. See here, what is exchange instruction? The function of exchange instruction is that whenever this type of instruction is executed, then what happen? The address of HL register pair is exchanged with address of DE register pair, and address of DE register pair is exchanged with HL register pair address. That means HL register pair and DE register pair exchanges each other with their addresses. The addressing mode for this instruction is register. Why it is register? Because separately H register and L register, D register and E register is separately used, so that its addressing mode is register. Length of this instruction is 1 byte. Length of this instruction is 1 byte. Why it is 1 byte? Because there is no operand is absent. There is no 8-bit data or 16-bit data is mentioned, so that its length is 1 byte. Group of this instruction is data transfer group, and no flags is affected by this instruction. The example, only exchange instruction you can write here. Then see practically what happened. Suppose I initialize LXI H instruction with address 6789. Then I initialize DE address 9745 address. Then I give instruction exchange. If this location 6789 have any data and this location have any data, then this content cannot be take part in execution. Only addresses are exchanged with each other, that is HL address is exchanged with D address and DE address is exchanged with HL address. Then I execute. See here, DE address is 6789 and HL address is 9745. But before execution, HL address is 6789. It is exchanged with DE address. That is, what is DE address? 9745. That is exchanged with HL, and HL 6789 is exchanged with DE address. Another example I give with LHLD instruction. Another example, if suppose I used LHLD instruction, then I give address such like this, that is in L register what is data 45, in H register 23 data. Then I use exchange instruction. Then again LHLD instruction is used. Then I execute this instruction. What happens? See here, the HL address is 0000H and DE address is 2340H. Here I see here DE address and HL address cannot be initialized here. Why it is happened? Because LHLD 2345 is given. That means there are two locations, 2345 and 2346. Then again 8967 and 8968. These are as like this is locations, and here I used this data. Then after execution, see here 93D contain 93H, E contain 97H, H contain 34, and L contain 45H. In this situation, the content of that memory location is take part here. Why it is take part here? Because LHLD instruction is used. Thus, exchange instruction is used for to exchange address of HL and address of DE. That means HL and DE address is exchanged by this instruction. Then we stop here and meet to next video content.